In this capsule, we will look at what a fixed asset register is. The term fixed asset here means all assets that are in operation, i.e., that is not stock. In the first instance, we will look at what a fixed asset register is, and then we will see how to establish one. Let us start by seeing what a fixed asset register is. The fixed asset register is, like an asset register, a document that is often in the form of a table in which assets that are in operation, not stock, are listed. This register must be linked to the technical register and enable an annual financial report to be produced. To do this, it is necessary to update it every year in order that fixed assets are financially managed on a permanent basis. This register is generally established for a 3 or 5-year period. For each asset, the following can be found in the table: its installation date, its initial cost, its position along its life cycle, its real value, i.e. depreciated according to the depreciation rate. Let us now look at how a fixed asset register is established. To create this register, it is necessary to do so from an accounting point of view. To make this easier, it is advised that a spreadsheet be used or an integrated management software. In this register, it is important to regroup fixed assets by category according to their financial lifespan. An asset's category can, for example, correspond to the entire pumping station category. It is important to differentiate financial lifespan from technical lifespan because they are rarely identical. Let us take the example of a sensor that has a financial lifespan of 10 years. This means that every year it loses 10% of its value, and that at the end of 10 years, its residual accounting value is 0. However, if the sensor is not replaced at the end of 12 years, its value will have been 0 for 2 years. This value corresponds to the asset's resale value. The technical lifespan of a sensor is therefore 12 years. It is important to offset losses in value with investments so that the overall asset value remains stable. So here is what you need to remember about a fixed asset register. The term fixed asset means an asset that is in operation and not stock. To do a financial report, all fixed assets are listed in a register, and this needs to be updated on a yearly basis. For each fixed asset category in this register, the following is given: the installation date, the initial cost, the position along its life cycle, and the real value in relation to the level of investment.